friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get further notifications. So today I will be preparing a lip-smacking Chinese dish, Prawn Hakka Noodles. It is very tasty, easy to prepare and an ideal low-calorie mid-meal food. You can prepare this easily if you're craving for some healthy food and if you're stuck for time. So without wasting time, let's start. First, we will boil the noodles. For this, I have taken enough water in a deep vessel. Now put enough salt and some oil in the boiling water. Now add the noodles. Here I am using Ching's Secret Hakka Noodles 2 packets. You can use your favorite brand, any brand as per your choice. Now don't boil these noodles fully, boil till 80%. Now these are perfectly done. Now strain this immediately and dip in some cold or normal water. This step actually helps the noodles from not sticking with each other and also it helps in releasing the extra starch. Now here I have taken 200 grams prawn. You can use more prawns also. We'll marinate this with 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and salt to taste. Now I have taken a big frying pan and I have added 1 tablespoon of white oil, and now we'll fry the prawns one by one. Now you should fry the prawns till golden brown. Now these are done. Take it out and keep them aside. Now here I have taken 1 large thin sliced onions. Now just detangle it like this. Now in the big frying pan, I have added 2 tablespoons of oil and I have added the detangled onions. Just fry this for 1 minute. Now it's always advisable when you're cooking noodles, you should take big frying pan or any big spread out vessels like wok, and you should cook in high flame. Actually it gives the flavor and texture of restaurant. Now after onions, I have added the root portion of the spring onions, and now one by one I am adding few thin sliced cabbage, few sliced French beans and few julienne carrots. Now just fry everything for 1 minute in high flame. Then I am adding few thin slices of tricolor capsicum, red, yellow and green. Just fry it for another 1 minute. The vegetable should be crunchy, so do not overcook it. Just 2-minute tossing is perfect in high flame. Now I have forgot to add garlic, so I am adding 1 teaspoon of garlic. So I am adding 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Now we'll fry this, and also I am adding 2 chopped green chillies. Fry this and now mix everything. Now I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of soya sauce, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, salt to taste and some sugar. Now mix everything very well. And now add the noodles. Now this is very important and crucial step, that you should mix the noodles very well. So it's very important, if you're making noodles, you should take a big vessel or a big frying pan when you're making this noodles, and also this mixing is also very important. So what I have done, I have taken 2 wooden spatula or spoons and I'm mixing it properly. So you can also do the way I am doing. And one thing, you should cook in very high flame. proper mixing of noodle gives a good texture to your noodles like restaurant style. So it is very important. I'm adding some spring onions. Again mix this very well. And lastly, we'll add the fried prawns. Give a quick mix and your garlic prawn hakka noodles is ready. Just try it and I'm sure that you will love this. Don't forget to share your feedback with me in the comment section below and please support me by subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.